Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to back up Microsoft Outlook data. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Being able to back up your Outlook data is essential for protecting your important emails, contacts, and calendar information from accidental loss or system failures. Let's walk through this process step by step. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Give it a moment to fully load all your data, as this ensures everything is synchronized and ready for backup. You'll want to make sure all your recent emails and updates have downloaded before proceeding with the backup process. Once your email has been loaded, to back up Microsoft Outlook data, start by navigating to your File menu located on the top part of your screen where your tools and menus are located. Click on the File tab. This is where Outlook stores most of its configuration and management options, including the crucial account settings we'll need for creating our backup. Once the File menu has opened, look for the Account Settings drop-down and click on it. From the drop-down options, select Account Settings again. This might seem a bit repetitive, but it's just how Outlook organizes its settings menu. An Account Settings window will appear, and from here you'll see a list of all the accounts you have configured under your Outlook app. This window is essentially your control center for managing everything related to your email accounts and their associated data files. Now click on Data Files. This tab is where all your Outlook data files are stored and managed. Then look for the account you wish to back up by clicking on it to select it. Each account has its own data file, so make sure you're selecting the correct one if you have multiple accounts configured. Once selected, click on Open File Location. This button is extremely useful because it takes you directly to where Outlook stores all your actual data on your computer's hard drive. A File Explorer window will appear, and from here simply copy the Outlook file and store it somewhere safe, and it will serve as your backup file. You can paste this file to an external hard drive, a USB stick, or even upload it to cloud storage for extra security. This file contains all your emails, contacts, calendar entries, and other Outlook data for that account. Make sure to store it in a location you'll remember and that's secure from accidental deletion. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your Microsoft Outlook data, protecting your important information from potential loss. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.